I'm going to teach you on how to get a streak pet on your TikTok. So let's begin by opening up your TikTok. So you want a streak pet, right? So you just go to your inbox and go send a streak pet to anyone that you want. So I want to send this person an invite. So at the bottom you can see there's a heart, laughing, your thumbs up, and a streak pet right over here. Click on it to send an invite to the person. So I've invited this person a streak pet. So once you have sent this invite to the person must accept the invite to raise a streak pet together. So if the person has accepted your pet is ready, and you can just talk for consecutive 3 days to unlock a strict pet. So this is a strict pet that I have. So you have to talk for 3 consecutive days to hatch it. So thank you so much for watching.